How's it going, YouTube? My name is Blake Yarbrough and welcome back. Today is a video that has been requested multiple times over the past few years, and it's one that I've just never gotten around to doing, one that at some points I just kind of didn't feel comfortable doing because this is my private space. But today we are going to do an apartment tour, and so I'll kind of show you like my living space because I'm moving. I'm actually moving. I've lived here in this building for a while. I live in Atlanta, and it's time to move. It's time to take a new step, turn to the next chapter, if you will. And so let's go ahead. I'm gonna film this the best way I can. So I'm gonna film myself talking and then kind of guiding you guys around the apartment, showing you some things that I've collected over time, and just kind of like how I like my space to be. So I appreciate you guys watching. Subscribe if you like sneaker content. I do sneaker giveaways here and there, and the next one I think I'm gonna do whenever we hit 35,000 subscribers. So I appreciate all the support. Follow me over on Instagram at _Blake Yarbrough, and let's get into it. Okay guys, we're gonna get started right here at my front door as you walk in. Now, as you can tell by how I'm dressed, I'm a huge sports fan. I love baseball, football, basketball. I really love all sports in general, but I live with my brother Max. He's also a big sports guy. So we've collected a bunch of jerseys over time, most of them autographed, and most of them, with the exception of a few, we actually obtained the autographs ourselves in person, which is kind of cool. Let's go ahead and get started at the front door. As soon as you walk in, Odell Beckham Jr., the Browns jersey. This was such a sick uniform that he wore, and all the special cleats that he did during his stint in Cleveland were unrivaled. Like the Sean Witherspoon cleats, the OBJ ones, those were freaking sick. So Odell Beckham Jr. jersey right as you walk in. Then we got this little hallway. Sorry for the stuff that I've got moving right here. Sony Michel and Nick Chubb jersey. These are both Max's jerseys, but actually I got them signed for him. So Sony Michel, Nick Chubb, two legendary running backs at Georgia. And on this opposite wall right here, we've got Todd Gurley. So Todd Gurley, Nick Chubb, Sony Michel, like super sick to have all three of those jerseys right here as you walk into our apartment. And then as you see right here, we've got the kitchen and living space. So I'll kind of walk you guys around. We've actually got, this is Max's room, which he keeps it super clean, so I'm sure he doesn't mind me showing you. Here's his bathroom, super dope. Max is a big Drake fan, so he's got that Drake picture in there. Then here's his room. Max is into sneakers, just like I am. And so he's got some of his sneakers displayed right here. He just picked these up, the Utos, which these look super sick in person, honestly. The materials are amazing. Definitely one of the best sneaker releases of the year. And then here's a bunch of his jerseys and stuff for Georgia he's got. And then we've got the view of Atlanta. So Max's room is super dope. He's got a really clean aesthetic and he's super clean, so it's been cool to live with him the last few years. Here is the kitchen. Pretty simple kitchen, open design. And right here I created my own UGA championship shirts. So I've got some of these here on the counter that I just picked up to ship out. So here is the view. And this is like one of my favorite things. I love to live in the city, and being from Atlanta and living here has definitely given me like a different perspective on the city. I grew up outside the city, and this has just been like a super fun experience. So lots and lots of memories here, tons. I've lived here for nearly 6 years, so a lot of memories here. And that is the first balcony. Up here on the wall, we've got the off-white temporary clock. Then we've got my living area. We've got the couch here, a couple more jerseys. These are super sick. These are also Max's. He's got Acuna, 2 Max, and Aaron Judge, 2 Max. So we are Braves fans, but to have a jersey like Aaron Judge's, like super sick. And shout out to Clint for the assist on those for sure. Over here, I've got the floating sneaker display. I had this in my room for a while, and I actually moved it over here to the window because my palm plant died. So if you guys are good with plants, send me some tips. I kept it alive for a while, but it ended up biting the dust. And then here's maybe a different perspective of kind of like the living space. I did Philips hue lights all over the apartment. You can dim and brighten the lights, do different colors. It looks super cool at night. Freddie Freeman jersey up here on the wall. Super sick. Harrison actually gave this to Max and I think for Christmas. So thank you, Harry, of course. Freddie Freeman, regardless of what went down with him going to LA, an ATL legend. So shout out to Freddie Freeman. The Keep Off rug, I purchased this years ago. I think I paid $900 for it at the time, which was like the going price. And now they're a lot more expensive, of course. So it was actually one of the main times that I bought something at the right time. Around the apartment, I keep these look-see design boxes. They're amazing, absolutely amazing as far as like storing your sneakers, displaying your sneakers. Acrylic, super nice, like quality sneaker boxes. I absolutely love these. Here is my room, and it is a little bit messy right now, but it's fine. It's not that big a deal. Right here on the right wall, Griffey has his little jungle gym to climb on. He absolutely loves it, and it's something I've kind of moved around each apartment, kind of added these other pieces. I'd love to do like a whole room for Griffey, but it's not the right time yet. I've got right here where I film my videos. So you got the wet grass rug on the wall and my desk and stuff. So I pretty much just set this up. I put a bunch of lights right here to help brighten the room and even out the light, and that's where I've been filming my videos. As you guys have seen, I just love to change things up. Over time, if you look back at some of my older videos, you can see like other bedrooms I've had and different setups I've done. I've done a bunch of different setups. If you want to see a video on my new apartment and kind of setting it up and like how I pick things out, then let me know down in the comments. And then here's my balcony. So this is kind of a western view. If you look out there, I'm sure I can zoom in and show you guys. That's Kennesaw Mountain, which is pretty cool to see. A little bit closer and to the left is Truist Park. So from here, I can see the Truist Park fireworks and then sunsets on this side. So I'll show you guys some sunset clips. But this has been like one of my favorite, if not, besides my childhood home, like this has been my favorite place to live of all time. Not even a question. I've just had a lot of fun and really enjoyed living here. It's time to do something different, and I'm ready for that too, but this has been such a great place to live. And then in my room, I've got a couple jerseys as well. So I've got Noshawn Merino, the black jersey. That's a Stitch jersey from like when they actually wore them. I bought that. And then actually probably just like maybe like 2 years ago, Max actually got it signed for me. So sometimes I get him autographed, sometimes he gets them for me. And then over here, probably one of the coolest kind of things that I've got sports-wise, Andrew Jones jersey signed, also with his batting glove signed as well. The jersey my dad gave me, the batting glove, my mom worked at Mercedes-Benz, and he would bring his McLaren in for service. He gave my mom his batting glove to give to us. And then years later, I got him to sign it. This Greg Mike print right here, which I cherish. I mean, it's definitely a cool piece. It's individually numbered and signed by him, so super dope. Greg Mike, amazing artist. I've got a couple baseball bats right here. So the Red Supreme one Nick gave me for a gift one time, and then this one right here is actually from my friend's bat company, Odin Lumber Company. So shout out to Chris and Odin Lumber for making me this bat. And then here's my closet. Now my closet has changed a bunch over time. I'm always changing it. Right now it's a mess because I'm moving. So I've taken out a lot of stuff already, sold some stuff, and really like this is like a not put together piece right now. I've got hats everywhere. And so I'll just kind of show you, like, I mean, I guess if you kind of want to see it, I've got this cool poster up there. I keep all my t-shirts and stuff kind of in color order, jerseys, hoodies, pants, and then a bunch of random stuff back here, boxes, suits, just a bunch of random stuff. So I kind of need to, there's some more footballs and signatures. I've got like a running back football with Todd Gurley, Sony Michel, DeAndre Swift, Nick Chubb, and Noshawn. So that's sick. I have all those running backs on the same football. And we've got a Michael Vick football there in the center. And then we've got a Roquan Smith up there on the top. So pretty cool autographs I've got there. I've got some other, I've got like baseballs and stuff signed. But But yeah, this is my closet. It's a work in progress because I've already taken like half of it out, but I wanted to show you guys in case you're curious. So that is, that's my apartment. Honestly, I mean, it's been a great space. I've really enjoyed living here. Like I said, if you guys want to see more content like this, like not necessarily specifically involved with sneakers, then let me know down in the comments. Again, thank you for watching. This has been an apartment tour with me, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Peace.